their journey of an IBM life, many are faced with decisions regarding a home modification to make their bathroom more accessible for their future needs. But most people have difficulty in deciding exactly what changes are important for their IBM future, which changes are actually possible in their current home, and if the modifications are within their financial capabilities. Many of us IBMers are not financially capable of hiring an architectural firm to draw up various proposals and scenarios for you to choose from. Let me explain a quick and easy solution for putting some accessibility options in pictorial form to help you better imagine the scope and possible outcome of your bathroom modification project. Over the past 2 years, I've assisted about a dozen IBMers help capture their dream of a bathroom modification possibility. The process starts with the IBMer sending me something as simple as a hand-drawn sketch of their current bathroom dimensions. Here are a couple examples of what I received before starting their projects. It doesn't have to be fancy, but it helps to be relatively accurate with your measurements. Clicking a couple photographs of your bathroom with your cell phone and sending to me is a great start of the project. Here are a couple examples of photographs received that accompanied the two-dimensional sketches previously mentioned. Before starting your project, I would also like to personally speak with you to ask you a few questions about the current layout of your bathroom, such as, is there a finished basement or an unfinished basement below the bathroom area, or is your home built on a concrete slab? The proximity of the bathroom to the master bedroom, as well as learning what the IBMer thinks they would like to see as a possible outcome to include, such as removing a bathtub and installing a roll-in shower in its place. These and several other questions will assist in getting proposals to you in the shortest amount of time possible.
Hi, this is Cindy speaking. Let's not be too concerned about decor or material color at this point in time, as I'll be the second to admit Jerry's ability to decorate or color coordinate anything is certainly lacking. Your color choices can be made when you actually start your project with a contractor.
Thank you for adding that, Cindy. Here are some examples of some bathroom projects I've helped with, first with a dimensional drawing I was sent, and then the concept drawing I sent back a few days later, followed by some photos of their finished accessible bathroom if I received any. Once the drawing is completed, moving the camera view around makes it easy to offer concept pictures of the new design from any angle. As I've heard many IBMers say, when you gotta go, you gotta go. So I'll always create as much usable space around the toilet to park your walker, rollator, and later even a full-size power chair. My concept pictures will usually include preparations to later install a ceiling-mounted track system and hoist, and concept drawings can include with or without the ceiling track installed. In many projects, there may be some trade-offs. For example, the ever-popular double sink vanity may have to be reduced to a handicap-accessible single sink base to allow access by a person in a power chair. If possible, the lost vanity storage area might be supplemented with a pantry-like cabinet in the concept design. There are 3 questions that you might be asking yourself right now. Number 1, what is the value of these pictorial aids? Some people have a hard time visualizing what changes need to be made and how it will look when completed. Also, when it comes time to get quotes for your bathroom remodel, it will be much easier just to show the contractor some pictures of what you would like the final outcome to represent. Number 2, can I make changes after seeing the first draft concept pictures of my project? Yes, changes can be made, but remember what my wife Cindy said earlier, if it's just about color or decor, you can do that later when you specify your materials with the contractor. And finally, what is the cost of having these drawings done for my home? As you know, I dedicate a lot of my time to help other people that have been diagnosed with inclusion body myositis and their caregivers. I do not plan on charging for these modification concepts as long as you can quickly respond to any questions I have while working on your project. I know, people say my time is worth something, so if you feel obligated to reimburse me, please make a donation to Myositis Support and Understanding to additionally help other IBMers and research to eliminate it from our society. If you have IBM and have a serious and immediate need to start a bathroom renovation project but don't know where to start, you may be a candidate to have me produce some concept pictures for you. At my current IBM stage, I'm not quite as efficient as I used to be, but we'll try to help you and others in order that I receive the requests. Please send an email to ibmyositis@gmail.com containing your contact information and we'll get started. If you enjoyed this video, please consider pressing the thumbs up button. If you have not previously subscribed to this channel, please do so now. Unfortunately, only about 29% of my viewers are subscribers according to YouTube analytics. Now get drawing, my IBM friends.